In this video, we listed the 5 best Creality 3D printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality CR-10 for large 3D printer. The Creality CR-10 is a high-performance 3D printer designed for home use, featuring an all-metal, Sprite, direct dual-gear extruder that ensures smooth filament feeding and discharging with a thrust of up to 80 N, making it ideal for high-precision models and flexible filaments like TPU. It boasts genuine 25-point auto-leveling with CR touch for precise calibration and a Z offset accuracy of 0.05 mm. The printer includes a 4-layered build platform with a flexible PC-coated surface for strong adhesion and easy model removal, supported by a fast heating bed that resists deformation over time. With multiple printing options, including cloud printing via Creality Cloud software, USB-A, USB-C, RJ45 LAN, and Wi-Fi connectivity, it offers versatile operation. Additionally, users can control multiple CR-10 printers from one location through Creality Print or Creality Cloud web applications, streamlining production workflows. Built with durable materials like PC, metal, and steel, the printer is compact yet robust, weighing 15 kilograms and measuring 18 inches by 18 inches by 18 inches. Number 2. Creality K1C 3D printer. The Creality K1C upgraded 3D printer is a high-performance 3D printing device designed for efficiency and ease of use. It features a maximum printing speed of 600 mm per second, fully automatic leveling, and a dual-gear direct extruder for precise and reliable performance. The printer offers a larger build volume with dimensions of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. Constructed with durable aluminum and weighing 18 kilograms, the printer is robust yet user-friendly, arriving out of the box ready for use. With its sleek silver design, the Creality K1C combines functionality and style, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users seeking high-speed, large-scale 3D printing capabilities. Number 3. Creality Ender 3S1 3D printer. The Creality Ender 3V3SE is a high-performance 3D printer designed for speed, precision, and user-friendliness. It offers a fast printing speed of up to 250 mm per second with 2500 mm s² acceleration, allowing users to complete high-quality print jobs efficiently. Featuring the Sprite direct drive extruder, it supports a variety of filaments such as PLA, PETG, and TPU, enabling versatile printing options. The printer is easy to assemble in just 3 steps within approximately 20 minutes and comes equipped with CR touch for auto-leveling and a strain sensor for automatic Z offset adjustment, ensuring a perfect first layer every time. Its dual Z-axis design, synchronized by a timing belt and supported by lead screws, minimizes wobbling for precise prints, while the durable Y-axis linear shafts provide stability and accuracy. Ideal for both beginners and experienced users, the Ender 3V3SE also includes a 1-year after-sales service for customer support. Number 4. Creality 8K Resin 3D printer. The SainsSmart Halot Mage Pro is a high-performance resin 3D printer designed for speed, precision, and convenience. It boasts a remarkable printing speed of 170 mm per hour, which is 3 to 5 times faster than competitors, without compromising on quality. Featuring an 8K monochrome LCD with 33,177,600 pixels and a 29.7 micrometers XY resolution, it delivers superior detail and sharpness compared to 4K printers. Its large 10.3-inch screen offers 45% more workspace, ideal for crafting intricate models. The printer includes advanced features such as a smart resin pump for automatic refills and withdrawals, and an air purifier with a large activated carbon filter to eliminate resin odors, ensuring a safer work environment. The Integral Light Source 3.0 provides over 90% light uniformity and a powerful light intensity of 8000 W/cm² for consistent and high-quality curing. Additional user-friendly features include a one-handed flip lid, the self-developed Haylet box slicer with a simple four-step workflow, and a 1-year VIP subscription to ChichuBox Pro, a leading slicer software. This makes the Haylet Mage Pro an efficient and intuitive choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 5. Creality Ender 3S1 Plus 3D Printer. The Creality 3D printer Ender 3S1 Plus is a high-precision FDM 3D printer designed for versatile and efficient printing. Featuring a large printing size of 11.8 by 11.8 by 11.8 inches, it is equipped with advanced features such as CR Touch Auto Leveling for improved accuracy and a double-screw Z-axis for enhanced stability. The printer also includes a removable build plate for easy print removal and a user-friendly 4.3-inch touchscreen interface. Made with durable aluminum construction, the Ender 3S1 Plus is compatible with laptops and smartphones, making it accessible for various users.